The document I'm going to work on promoting leadership to build college students social political awareness in the EFL reading class is very important since the issue also affects Colombia and we live almost daily. On the other hand, it refers to a qualitative researchers from the interpreted field that has philosophical basis on the paradigm are constituted by one or more of the idealistic school in which it's possible to ascribe actors such as Dickney, Weber, Sofer, Scrooge, to name to the most important. The tests to which the hypothesis or the theoretical proposition are going to submit is based on a systematic in which the aptitude search of negative cases, especially important to the phenomenon to be explained, is defined. A hypothesis is a formula as many cases are studied as we are necessary to redefine the phenomenon, looking for negative causes that refute the hypothesis and reformulate again and again until a consistent universal relationship is established. Unlike ground theory, analytic induction searches for data to test an existing theory and uses them to analyze its results. Although, at first, it was used to study a health problems such as addictions, the truth is that the researchers have been resistant to incorporate this type of analysis, so it has not yet left the field of social sciences. The reason might lie in the skepticism in which we still look at qualitative research, in the fact that the verification of causal relationship has traditionally been considered the exclusive patrimony of experiment research, which continues to occupy a hegemonic place today in school research. In the process of knowledge, there is an interaction between subject and object. In fact, both are inseparable. Observation not only disturbs and shapes the observed object, but the observer is shaped by it, by the individual person or by the observed group. Such a situation cannot be eliminated, even if the researchers want to eliminate it. This research is always influenced by the values of the researchers, and this in this report must account for them a different department explication. The final function of the research based on the interpretive paradigm is to understand the behavior of the people studied, which is achieved when they interpret the meaning they give to their own behavior and to the behavior of others, as well as the objects that are they find in their areas of coexistence. The main types of research covered in this paradigm are interpretive qualitative research. They do not seek explanations but interpretations. Depending on the article and according to the conclusions and the theoretical arguments on the described problem can be clearly focused and explanatory paradigm where reality is divided into several dimensions which are characterized by a set of properties and laws that are inherent in each of them. For example, the social cultural dimension is composed of the economic, social, and cultural aspects. Although the explanatory paradigm supposes the possibility of reducing the individual subjective recognized as science objective based on the intersubjective of the diverse members of the scientific community that gives a valid or not valid the result obtained, but the analysis carried out by individual research or by a team of researchers. Finally, the techniques currently used in qualitative research to collect information are mainly observation, direct participant, qualitative interview, structured or unstructured, and unintrusive research includes the study of documents, interviews, stories of life, ethnographic observation, focus testimony.